Alright, so I had someone that wanted a deeper dive into the update, so let's go ahead and do that. So we're going to push those 3 buttons there. Okay. Oops, sorry, that's not what I want. I'm going to hold the buttons or hold anywhere on here. They wanted to see if I could actually add 8 icons, and they wanted to also see about the seat heaters. So as you can see, I dragged this seat heater here. What it does is it puts it down there. So let me also see, because they wanted to see if I could split and put the other seat. Okay, so I'm going to turn off the temperature control by holding it. We're going to hold this again, and okay, when you split it, it actually brings that back. So there you can see we can add the 3, 2, and 1 bacon strips. 3, 2, and 1 bacon strips. Okay. They wanted to see how many icons I could add here, if I could add 8. Let's see what happens when we put the defroster. Does it, oh, you can put this anywhere. The seat heaters you can't put anywhere. It automatically will sit next to there. Okay, which is kind of nice. Let's see what, if we can like add all of these. Okay, you can see it like deletes them. So as you can see, you get 5 little choices things here, and then you get the seat heaters here. So if you try and add these, it starts removing your other stuff. Okay. Let me see what else. Let's see if we remove the seat heaters. Can we add more icons down there? No. Okay. So you can only have 5 of these. As you can see, you can only, oops, I didn't want to get rid of that. So you can only have 5 of these. I don't want that on. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Actually, the defroster thing might be okay, but let me see. I definitely want the camera. That's very useful. The seat heating, wait, oh no, it automatically adds both. Okay, so when you split it, it automatically will add both. Okay, that's interesting. So what if I unsplit it? So it disappears. What if I have, wait, okay, I'm gonna have to sit in the right side and see what happens, because that's weird that it would only give you that when you split it. I mean, I guess you could leave it split if you want to always, but then the problem is you're always going to have people splitting the temperature, which means your HVAC or AC or whatever is going to work harder, because one person's going to have a different temperature. So I would think they'd be competing with each other to get the cabin to the whatever temperature. But yeah, okay, I think so. That's it. You can put 5 things down here. Let me see. I don't really care about a heated steering wheel. The wipers are easy enough to just access through the thing when I just push that button there. So maybe the one I would want is just the front defroster. Yeah, rear defroster I don't care either. I don't really need to look out my back window much. Yeah, if anything, I could use the camera too. So yeah, that should be fine. I don't really care about having this other stuff up on the screen for clicking right away. Yep, so that's the update. I think that answered all their questions. So you can get, oh yeah, let me sit in the passenger seat and see what happens. All right, I'll be back. All right, so I'm in the passenger seat right now. Let me actually turn off the split. Okay, so as you can see, while a passenger's sitting here, so I'm sitting here, nobody's sitting here. I did have to push on the seat to wake it up, because if let me see if it'll do it again. Okay, so see, it goes into this battery charging mode if nobody's in the driver's seat. So, or that's because I'm charging the battery. But if I push on the seat here, let me actually zoom out, then it goes on, okay, because it detects a driver or something. The AC is on. Let me turn that off. Okay, so it's off right now. If I push this and change it, so split is on, split is off, you can see I'm in the passenger seat, and as you can see, I still get my own seat heater here. So if you have a passenger, it will give you this option if you're just the driver. So let me actually go back to the driver's seat. Okay, so if I just go back into the driver's seat here, then let's see. Okay, so as you can see, their options disappeared. Oh, and one other thing. This has nothing to do with the update, but this emergency latch, it's actually okay to use that. as long as you have the window rolled down a little bit. The reason being, the way this emergency latch works is if you push the button here, normally what happens is the window will come down a little bit so that it's not hitting the trim. When you pull this, it doesn't roll the window down for you. So if you roll the window down in advance and you pull this, then it's okay. It won't have the issue. But basically, yeah, see, as you can see, like when you push this too, it'll roll the window down before it pops the door out, and that's so the window doesn't get caught in here when you pull it. All right, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.